Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the Ink Rush campaign on Superboard. This is a campaign that will take you through some different protocols on the Ink network. And yeah, we will knock out a couple of these, the first four, and be on our way. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think will be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, I have a Discord. The best place to reach me is there. All the links to all the socials are down below. Catch me on Twitter at the BCR142. I share a lot of stuff here that I can't get to on YouTube. So catch me here and on the Arena, great social platform. It's like a Twitch meets Twitter meets YouTube all in one. So great place to stream and find creators. I also co-host a show multiple times a week here at DeFi, Crypto, and Airdrops, where we do crypto and chill. There's traditional finance, DeFi, some social, not crypto related stuff. So this is a great, just everything that you would want to know about crypto all in one place. We're also streaming on the Arena, so check us out here. And the host, Veteran for Crypto, give him a follow, help us grow our community over there. And with that, let's get into it. We will always start off with minting our exploration pass. I'm going to use my main wallet. Ink campaign pass, the Ink campaign pass. Oh, looks like we have to mint on Ink. I'm going to see if I have anything on the Ink chain. I do not. So we'll go to our trusty gas.zip. And what do I have? We'll send $1 over to, type in Ink. Oh no. Okay. We'll go to Jumper. I'm just going to send some from a random chain over to, where's Ink? Ink to the ETH. Oh no. So no, I don't want that. Let's see, superposition. So I can do that. Okay. I guess we'll have to do this. Oh, that's going to take 7 minutes. Not forget that. AVAX, $3. Oh, that's going to take 20 minutes. Dang. That's crazy. So always pay attention to the time that it will take for your funds to arrive. Okay, 3 seconds. Wow. I wonder why the other ones were so long. Done. Damn, Jumper. All right, now we can mint. So this might be under $1 now to mint these. Yeah, 67 cents. Perfect. Now we can go here, verify, and follow them. Follow Superboard, join the Telegram. Boom. Oh, we were just on Relay. So we might have to do this again since... Okay, maybe not. So we just used Relay, just so happened to be in luck. So that was good. That was great. Very, very nice. Now we get to go explore across. Okay, bridge any asset from across. Let's connect our wallet. Stick with base. Let's go over here to Ink. Make sure. Okay. Oh, there we go. Had to wait for that transaction to complete. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, verify. I guess not. I wonder if it has to be 0.001. Yeah, we might have to do it again. So you might have to do a little over around $2.50. Yep, $2.50. All right, now InkySwap. Oh, swap any asset to receive at least $1 USDC. Cool. Connect. It's USDC, actually. Let's go Ethereum. So at least $1. Let's approve and confirm. Bada bing, bada boom. Done. Okay. And last on our list for today, HyperFluid, a multi-chain super app to swap, track, and manage your assets. So swap at least $3 worth of any assets on Ink via HyperFluid. All right, let's connect our wallet. Oh, not that. Ink. No, I don't want that. Search networks. Ink. Ink. There we go. Search networks, Ink to USDC. And let's go with, all right, make sure it's at least $3 on the Ink network. It might be a little painful, but yeah, it doesn't look like we've received it yet. Try this again. Okay, there we go. Boom, there we go. Easy peasy, beautiful cover girl. So we have got our swap done, and there we go. So Ink Rush, swap on InkySwap, verified transaction. So these loops are a pain because they don't really ever work, but there you go. First 4 done, and we will knock out the next 4 in the next video. So remember, jump in the Discord, hit me up. All links are down below. And with that, this is the blockchain report. Have a wonderful day, homie.